Want to integrate Make.com with Notion and build a simple automation in under 60 seconds? Here's exactly how to do it step by step. First, head over to Make.com and log into your account. Once you're in, click on Create a New Scenario. This is where you'll build your automation. In the scenario editor, type Notion into the search bar and select it as either the trigger or the action, depending on what you want to happen. For example, if you want to send a form, responses or tasks into Notion automatically, you'll use Notion as the action. Now you'll need to connect your Notion account to Make.com. When prompted, click Add and follow the secure authorization flow. Make.com will ask for permission to access your Notion workspace. Once approved, your databases will become available inside the platform. Next, choose a specific Notion database you want to work with. Make.com will show you a list of available fields from their database. Now map the incoming data to the fields. For instance, if your trigger is a form of submission or an email, you can automatically send the name, email, and message straight into the columns inside your Notion table. After mapping everything, click Run Once to test your setup. If the data flows correctly into your Notion, save the scenario and switch it on. Now your automation will run either on schedule or whenever the trigger event happens. And that's it. You have successfully connected Make.com with Notion and built a light workflow without writing a single line of code. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Leave a comment if you got questions, and make sure to subscribe for more no-code automation videos just like this.